Hi guys, welcome to this stunning villa in Buduk, 𝗣𝗥𝗜𝗖𝗘. Modern, stylish, and priced at just 175,000 USD for a 30-year leasehold. So let's check it out. So guys, as you enter, this open plan living area gives you a plenty of natural light. The lounge and dining area flow seamlessly into the kitchen, creating an inviting space. This kitchen area is stylish and functional with a central island that's perfect for cooking, dining, or even working. You can add some bar stool here or maybe pendant light to make it look comfy. And the lounge area is perfect for a comfy sofa, a rug, and maybe some tropical plants to tie it all together. And the best part, you will have the view of the jungle and the rice fields. You can enjoy this peaceful scenery while relaxing in the heart of the villa. There are two cozy bedrooms, both with air conditioning and large windows, one facing to the pool and the other one to the jungle. Each bedroom has its own private bathroom, featuring modern fixtures and a clean design. Here's the rooftop area with this beautiful greenery and rice fields. It's really perfect for relaxing or even adding another bedroom or lounge area if you want to expand. Priced at just 175,000 USD, this villa offers a 30-year leasehold on a 200-meter square plot. It's ideally located, just a 13-minute drive to Pererenan Beach and only a few minutes away from popular restaurants and spas. It is perfect for anyone looking for a modern, private retreat in Bali. So guys, if you have any question regarding to this villa or want to schedule a visit, do not hesitate to send us a message and feel free to check out all of the info that we have put in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram page at 𝗣𝗥𝗜𝗖𝗘. See you in the next villa tour. Bye!